guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we all know that Uptons are a skincare favorite of a lot of us, and these are recipes that have been passed on to us from generations, like our dadi nanis, our grandmothers and our moms. They've always been, I've always heard them vouch for an Upton at home, a good Upton at home. But truth be told, who has that kind of time these days? Especially with the kind of busy lifestyles that we have these days. Whipping up a DIY recipe every other day is not really feasible. And sometimes you don't even know what exactly should be there in the DIY recipe, or say the Upton. There are things that may not work for your skin type. For situations like these, I always rely on experts who have done their research and created products that will suit us, that will suit our skin, and also give us results. In this video, I'm going to talk about Upton based products from my favorite MamaEarth. I have two products with me. One is the Upton face wash and the other one is Upton night face mask, and these are all Upton based or Upton inspired products, and I'm going to share with you my reviews on these in the video. If you're interested, keep watching, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated of my new videos. And now let's get started. Now Uptons, as we all know, are mostly preferred by people who are looking for skin brightening, clearing up the skin, clearing up any spots or marks on the face, and also for tan removal. Uptons are really good for tan removal. So the MamaEarth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron, this one is for tan removal, and I've used this for a few weeks now, and I can say that this is a really good product. It has mild scrubbing ingredients coming from walnut beads in there. They gently scrub off dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. It has turmeric, which we all know is a brightening agent, and it helps clear marks and spots from our face. It also has licorice extract, which repairs the skin and heals the damage caused by the sun. And it also has carrot oil, which helps remove tan and spots from the skin while revealing a natural glow on the face. So all in all, a really nice product. It has a light yellowish color to it, and the texture is smooth, but it has those walnut beads. So the walnut beads are in there, you can feel them, you can feel the gritty texture, and it cleans your skin, and it also scrubs off the dead skin cells from the surface. Once you wash it off with water, you are not left with any dryness on the face, which I really like, because a lot of time scrubs and face washes, they leave you with really dry skin. I do not like that, and that's the good thing about this one. It does not dry out your skin, so you are your skin is taken care of. You can use this twice a day, but I like to use it mostly in the evenings because it has those exfoliating walnut beads. It smells nice and mild, and it smells a lot like turmeric, which I really like. It's a very soothing fragrance. 100 ml tube retails for rupees 249, and the product is dermatologically tested, pH balanced, free of SLES, sulfates, phthalates and silicones. It has natural ingredients, repairs sun damage and brightens your skin. Next, I'm going to talk about my current favorite night skincare product, which is the MamaEarth Upton night face mask. Now this has turmeric and niacinamide, which are both known for giving you glowing clear skin. It deeply hydrates, evens out your skin tone and improves your skin texture over time. And I'm going to it comes in a tub like this with an inner lid, and the packaging also has a spatula inside, which comes in really handy because the texture of this one is really unique. It is a gel like texture, but a very matte gel like texture, unlike anything that I have seen till now. I really like the texture because in summers here in Delhi it gets really hot and humid, and the texture is really nice. It leaves a matte finish on the skin. It gets absorbed into the skin completely, does not make your skin greasy. The next morning you do not wake up with a greasy face, which is a big plus for somebody like me who has oily skin. And you can see I'm sitting here without any makeup except for some lip color. My skin looks clean and clear. There are no rough patches, no dryness. It looks clean. I had a little bit of spots over here which are now gone with regular usage of this product, so I really like this one. I can totally vouch for it. It is an amazing product and it smells so good. Coming to the ingredients in this one, first one is turmeric, which is an antiseptic and anti-inflammatory, which we all know, and it helps get you clear skin, removes any patchiness in the skin. Then we have niacinamide or vitamin B3, which lightens dark spots and minimizes fine lines and wrinkles. It also is it protects your skin from oxidative damage and reduces inflammation. It also has aloe vera, which helps seal in moisture into your skin, and it contains other enzymes and antioxidants. It also has vitamin C, which helps you get clear skin, and it reverses the signs of aging. Now, this is not a general night cream that you get. It is a mask which you leave overnight on your skin, and then you wake up with clear glowing skin, and the texture is really nice. I really like the matte gel texture which gets absorbed into your skin, and I love the fragrance. So my current night skincare regime looks like this. First, I use the Upton face wash to wash my face and lightly scrub any impurities and any dead skin cells that may have collected on my skin during the day, and then I top it up with the Upton night face mask. I love that both of these products together, they are working really well on my skin, and my skin is definitely looking a lot clearer, a lot brighter. Definitely I can see that my skin feels better. So overall I'm really happy with both the products together. Overall I really love MamaEarth products. A lot of them I've been using recently, and I'm going to leave links to my previous videos also in the description box down below. I love that they are an Indian brand and they are a plastic positive brand. The products are made in India and the products are made for Indian skin and hair. Every time you buy a product from MamaEarth, they link your order to a tree that they plant. Exact geolocation, picture and species of the plant is sent to you. The products are free of harmful chemicals and are all natural, and the products are also easily available everywhere on their website and on e-commerce platforms such as Amazon, Nykaa, Purple. I'm going to leave links in the description box down below if you're interested in checking out the product. I'm also going to leave a coupon code down here so that you can avail a 20% off whenever you shop from their website, from their official website, mamaearth.in. They've also recently launched their own app which you can download, and you can get early access to deals and discounts. So overall I'm really happy with these two products from MamaEarth, the Upton face wash. Together both of them are working really good on my skin. I really like that. There's no breakouts, no dryness, no greasiness, nothing. My skin is really feeling good, and you can see it looks good without any makeup also. So that was that from my side on the MamaEarth Upton face wash and night mask. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.